So in this video, I'm going to show you how to know if your country is eligible for any of the Facebook monetization tools. Yes, how do you know if your country is eligible for any of the Facebook monetization tools? I'm going to be showing you that in this video. So please do well to watch this video to the very end. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. My name is UNORIGINAL, and here I teach you all about content creating, how to go about your Facebook monetization, how to start up your YouTube channel and grow on YouTube, and any other thing around content creating. Yes, that is what I do here. So in this particular video, I'm going to be showing you how to know if your country is eligible for any of the Facebook monetization tool, because sometimes people just go ahead to set up their Facebook monetization because they just see eligible, maybe Facebook ticks your country is eligible and they follow content monetization policy and all of it, and they don't go ahead to check because sometimes it could be network glitch, and sometimes Facebook can just put this thing there and you do not check your country. Guess what is going to happen? You apply, you submit your application, and you're going to be on review for months, which is called basically pre-enrolled. And sometimes you get a lot of people tell you, oh, their Facebook monetization, their setup has been in review for a long time. And what do I always tell them? Contact support, because that is what they have to do from their end. But I don't want you to find yourself in this kind of situation whereby you just go ahead, you see that, oh, they ticked you reside in an eligible country and you want to set up, you just go ahead to do that and you end up doing it, and guess what? You're going to just see this thing in review for a long time. So I'm going to be showing you mine, because I have some monetization tools right now that have been showing me setup. In one of my pages, I have bonus showing me setup. In another page, I have my stars showing me setup. But once I go and check and I see that my country, Nigeria, is not there, I don't bother myself, because if you go ahead to do it, error.com. So let me show you how to go about it. I'm going to be using the Maduka family page again. I have another page where I have bonuses. They've told me to set up bonus, but I decided not to set it up because when I checked my eligible country, I realized that Nigeria wasn't part of it. So for those who also always ask me about admin, you have admin and maybe US, UK, Canada, those countries that have all the monetization set up intact, that you can set it up anytime. If you have an admin in any of these countries, I will advise you not to remove them, because some people asked this question like, oh, Nigeria is not eligible, do I still need an admin? Yes, you still need an admin, because you can set up in-stream ads for yourself, but you see bonuses, you see stars and some other monetization tools, you might not be able to set it up yet. So that is why you still need your admin. Do not remove your admin yet. So let's go into this page. This is Maduka page, like I said, and let's go to professional dashboard. So under my professional dashboard, we will be going to monetization. So you see that I went to set up my in-stream ads after I did a content monetization policy video. I don't know if any of you have seen it, and if you've not seen it, or you are still battling content monetization policy issues, I've done a video on that. I'll link it in the description box, and you can actually go through my channel, because I've done a lot of content around Facebook monetization that will help you, and I've gotten a lot of testimonies concerning this content monetization policy thing, like those people that theirs have been ticked, because a lot of persons actually had this issue, and right now they've been able to sort it out by watching some of my videos. I've done a lot of videos on that, and I've also had to show practically how I did it on this particular page. And once I was done, my content monetization policy was ticked and I was able to set up in-stream ads. So it's still under review. Review usually takes 2 weeks. This is about a few days old, so don't mind that it's still under review. In the highest I've had is 6 days for my other pages, so this one in few days it will be approved. So you can see that they've told me to set up stars. So when I wanted to check, like I was like, okay, let me actually set up the stars, or let me check. So once you click on setup, so if you see any of the monetization tools telling you to set it up, of course you click on setup, right? What a lot of people do is they just go ahead to click on get started. I won't advise you to do that. Don't just go ahead and hey, because you are like, oh, they've ticked all my monetization tools, like all the criteria I was supposed to meet. They've ticked everything, right? So let me go ahead and set up. A lot of persons make this mistake. Please, I'm begging you. Once you see set up on any of the monetization tools, I know I am using stars right now to show you this thing. Yes, I understand I'm using stars, but if you see setup, click on the setup, but don't click on get started yet, because this is why a lot of people get themselves into pre-enrolled issue. So in as much as I understand, like I said, they ticked all your requirements or the criteria you're supposed to meet for that particular monetization tool. So yes, I know some people will like, which one is monetization tool? Please go through my channel. I've done a lot of videos guiding you through anything monetization. You have different tools. Of course, you can actually see them. You look at all the monetization tools we have, so you can available to set up. This one is in review, and the ones I'm not yet eligible for, remember, this is not my main page. This is like a family page where my kids, drop videos from time to time. So yeah, from dropping videos, they've been getting views, and they've told them to set up stars. So I am the one managing the page. I'm the admin of the page, right? So you can see other monetization tools here, from stars, in-stream ads, reels, bonuses, live ads, and subscriptions. You can see that, right? So for stars, let's go back. You can see set up stars. So let's go to, you see this, you reside in an eligible country. It has been ticked, right? But we are going to tick on the eligible countries to see if your own country is there. This is where a lot of persons make mistake. They don't bother checking. They just go ahead to set up. Like they just go ahead to, they click on get started, and they just find themselves in trouble much later. That is why I am doing this video, to educate you. Like, don't go ahead, don't just go ahead to click because you're like, and a lot of Nigerians didn't even realize that because Facebook is not monetized in Nigeria, a lot of them did not know that it is not in all monetization tools. Nigeria is not monetized in all. So let me click the list of these eligible countries. So you're going to watch this with me so that you see for yourself. So you can see about Facebook stars. Facebook is educating us about what you need to know about Facebook stars. So they say Facebook stars is a feature that allows followers to show their appreciation for you as a content creator. So yes, once you're eligible for Facebook stars, you see that you will always see beneath before your comment section where it will always say buy this person's stars. So that is what they're talking about here. So viewers can buy stars and send them to you as appreciation to appreciate your gaming, live, on demand reels, photos, and text content. You can see that right here. So let's go ahead. Let me just roll down to stars availability. This is where it is very, very important. So we are going to scroll this together, and if you see your own country, glory be to God, because I don't want to assume it's only Nigerians watching me, right? So if you see your country, glory be to God Almighty. But if you don't see your own country, please do not go ahead, because pre-enrolled issues. So now you see Algeria is an African country. Wow, that's good to have an African country in this. We have Argentina, we have Austria, we have Australia, and guess what? Some of the countries you will even see here in these stars, some of them might not even have in-stream ads. I don't know why Facebook is somewhere like that. So you see some countries have stars, some countries don't have in-stream ads, some countries have in-stream ads, some countries don't. Some countries don't have subscription. That is why you need to always check this thing. So you can see Bangladesh, Belgium, Belize, Bolivia, Brazil, Bulgaria, Cambodia, Canada, Chile, Colombia, Costa Rica, Croatia, Cyprus, Czech Republic, Denmark, Dominican Republic, Ecuador, Egypt. Egypt is another African country, right? El Salvador, Estonia, Finland, France, Georgia, Germany. Germany is another country where if you're residing in Germany, you don't have any issues. Like Germany is monetized in Germany, Austria. They are monetized in all the Facebook monetization tools. So you see Greece, Guatemala, Honduras, Hong Kong, Hungary. Hungary is monetized in stars, but guess what? Hungary is not monetized in in-stream ads. Because when I was trying to monetize one of my pages, I have a family member in Hungary. Guess what? He couldn't do it for me because I wanted to make him an admin so that he was going to help me. Look at them in stars, but they are not they are not monetizing in-stream ads. You can see this whole thing. So India, Indonesia, Iraq, Ireland is also part of it because Facebook is actually based in Ireland. So Italy, Japan, Jordan, Laos, Latvia, Lithuania, Luxembourg, Malaysia, Mexico, Morocco is another African country. So this was Myanmar, Nepal, Netherlands, yes, New Zealand, Nicaragua, Pakistan, Panama, Peru, Philippines, Poland, Portugal, Puerto Rico, Romania. You can see we've even passed where we have N. So under the N, which were the countries we have there? Nepal, Netherlands, New Zealand, Nicaragua. These are the countries we have under N. Nigeria is nowhere to be found around this. So this is today, the 20th of August, 2024. And I can categorically tell you that based on what I'm saying here on Facebook, Nigeria is not here. So don't make that mistake. Once you see set up, yeah, I realize I met up with the requirement, right? But you need to always check this particular thing. Always check this. You can see South Africa is also there. So we have how many African countries? 4 African countries under this that can monetize stars. But for now, Nigeria is not part of it. So you can see Slovakia, Saudi Arabia, Singapore, Slovenia, South Korea, Spain, Sweden, Thailand, Taiwan, Turkey, UAE, UK, US, Vietnam. So there are some countries that do not support stars. You can see these countries do not support it at all. They don't want it at all. So please, I beg you, do not just go ahead to set this thing up, and it is going to be on pre-enroll because this thing is system based. This is just a system working. So once the system is trying to like approve you and realize that your country under their own database is not eligible, they will just leave it there. They will leave it there. So you can see yourself under review for months. This is where a lot of persons are having issues right now. And what I always advise them is contact support team. Contact Facebook support team. They will be the one probably to remove it from their system. They will remove it and ensure that you can now maybe set up originally. So you can see for yourself that don't go ahead. I know you are in a hurry, you've been working so hard and all what have you. I understand, but always check these things out before you go ahead to do it. So guys, have you gotten value here? So if you're watching me for the first time, I would advise you actually scan through my channel and watch other videos, because I realized that some of the questions a lot of persons are asking me, I've done videos related to them before on this channel. So I have a playlist, Facebook monetization, and then I have another one for editing tutorials, and I also have another one for everything talking about YouTube, how to grow on YouTube, how I got monetized, how much YouTube paid me for 1 million views, and all what have you. So most of your monetization questions you want to ask, I might have done a video on it. So please click this channel and watch. And I know you have gotten value from this one. Why not just like this video and subscribe? Road to 5,000 subscribers. Yes, we need to, you guys help me get to 5,000 subscribers on this channel. So thank you so much everyone for watching. But if you still have questions for me, please do well to drop it in the comment section. I will be ready to attend to your questions. All right everyone, thank you so much. Bye.